Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Even in matters arising under clause bracket 2, though that question does not arise in this reference, the court may be justified in returning the reference unanswered if it finds for a valid reason that the question is incapable of being answered. Stop. With these preliminary observations, we will consider the contentions set forth above. Stop. From the aforesaid decisions, it is clear that this court is well within its jurisdiction to answer advise the President in a reference made under Article 143(1) of the Constitution of India if the questions referred are likely to arise in future or such questions are of public importance or there is no decision of this court which has already decided the question referred. Stanza. In the present case, what we find is that one of the questions is as to whether Article 174(1) prescribes any period of limitation for holding fresh election for constituting legislative assembly in the event of the premature dissolution of earlier legislative assembly. Stop. The recitals contained in the presidential reference manifestly demonstrate that the reference arises out of the order of the Election Commission dated 16th August 2002. Stop. In the said order, the Election Commission has admitted that under Article 174(1), 6 months should not intervene between the one assembly and the other even though there is dissolution of the assembly. Stop. The reference proceeds upon the premise that as per order of the Election Commission, a new legislative assembly cannot come into existence within the stipulated period of 6 months as provided under Article 174(1) of the Constitution on the assessment of conditions prevailing in the state. Stop. Further, a doubt has arisen with regard to the application of Article 356 in the order of the Election Commission. Stop. In view of the decision in presidential poll holding that in the domain of advisory jurisdiction under Article 143(1), this court go into the disputed question of facts. We have already declined to go into the facts arising out of the order of the Election Commission. Stop. But the legal premise on which order was passed raises questions of public importance and these questions are likely to arise in future. Stop. The questions whether Article 174(1) is mandatory and would apply to a questions dissolved assembly, that whether in extraordinary circumstances Article 174(1) must yield to Article 324 and that the non-observance of Article 174 would mean that the government of a state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution and in that event Article 356 would step in are not only likely to arise in future but are of public importance. Stop. It is not disputed that there is no decision of this court directly on the questions referred and further a (SIC) has arisen in the mind of the President of India as regards the interpretation of Article 174(1) of the Constitution. Stop. Under such circumstances, it is imperative that this reference must be answered. Stop. We therefore overrule the objections raised and proceed to answer the reference. Stanza. Is Article 174 subject to decision of the Election Commission of India under Article 324 as to the schedule of election of the assembly question mark. In an effort that aforesaid question be answered in the negative, it was inter alia urged on behalf of the Union of India, one of the national political parties and one of the states, that the provision in Article 174(1) of the Constitution that 6 months shall not intervene between the last sitting of one session and the date appointed for its first meeting of the next session is mandatory in nature, and it applies when the governor either prorogues either of the houses or dissolves the legislative assembly. Full stop. Over.